Okay, you are Zane Kimball,
Yes, sir.
and you are charged here in 26 CR 341 with third-degree felony of stalking. Do you have an attorney? Is that no?
Yes, sir.
Shaking a head doesn't work here. The lady has to take down oral statements. So please speak out.
Yes, sir.
So you don't have an attorney?
No.
You need to get one.
Your Honor, you advised him.
Not
that-
doing well with money right now, so.
Why not?
uh,
You're talking to somebody, the day I turned 16, I went to work at 80 cents an hour at 3 in the morning. And I know everybody rolls their eyes when I do that, but if I can do it, anybody can do it. You know,
I just lost my job recently.
get up off your rear end and go get a job. You're charged, you're looking at up to 10 years in prison here.
Yes, sir.
If you're convicted of a felony, do you know how long that lasts on your record, that you have to carry that around the rest of your life? Also, you can be fined $10,000 as well. One of the things here I want to make sure is you nor anyone on your behalf shall have any contact with this person who's the complainant. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If I find out your bond's revoked, you sit in jail until we get around to getting this done.
Yes, sir.
And you won't be allowed on bond. How much is your bond right now?
It was 20,000.
$20,000. Who paid that?
Me.
Where'd you get $20,000?
I didn't pay the whole 20,000. I just paid the 2K.
I know, but you're paying for it. Well, you go get a lawyer too. I know you're anxious to get out and be free, but you have a responsibility. You're doing what a lot of people do here. You're thinking about yourself first. You're charged with a crime. You've got to answer to this responsibly and what's in your best interest, but also what's in the interest of justice. You got to go. It's going to cost. That's why I tell people don't commit crimes. It costs money, a lot of money. But you've certainly jumped at getting a bond so you could be free. Now that you're free to go get a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
And get a job and responsibly handle this like adults are supposed to. And you're a week from turning 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you've been an adult for 3 years. Anyway, 2 years. Where are you in school? Are you going to college or something?
Yes, sir.
Did you finish high school?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what have you done since high school? Nothing? Huh?
I've been being a carpenter, but I recently lost that job. Maybe
When did you lose that job?
been about 3 months now.
Well, what are you doing about getting another
I
job?
had a pool job and they went out to Houston and then I just stopped at the takes.
When did you lose that job?
It's been about a month. And then I'm trying to get in at Walmart right now, but I lost my wallet, so I gotta get another.
Well, you got some responsibilities here and I'm not going to wait around.
Yes, sir.
We're going to move forward. Whether you take care of your business or not, we're going to make you take care of your business. But this is serious. It can be handled in a way that is fair for all concerned, but you need a lawyer to escort you through all the situations that are dealt with in a criminal case, a felony criminal case. There's a lot of details that need to be taken care of, and rights and responsibilities need to be answered to, and you need to understand what is going on. And so the important thing is you need a lawyer to represent you. Are you able to hire one at all? You don't have any how do you live if you don't have any money? How do you
I
live?
have money right now. I mean,
Sir?
I have money. I mean, I have money put up.
How much money do you have?
I do a little side job.
Sir?
Nowhere near enough. I got
Well, I'm asking you a question. What are we talking about?
enough to pay my rent in 30, and that's it.
And so what are you doing about getting jobs? You're going to, who have you talked to this week?
I'm getting in at Walmart. I already did my interview and everything, but I don't have my wallet right now, so I can't.
When do you start in Walmart?
As soon as I get an ID.
When are you going to get an ID?
It's supposed to come back this weekend. Or
Do you have a driver's license?
It's revoked.
How do you get around? Are you driving a car out there without a driver's license?
I got a friend,
Who is that?
Bailey Davis.
Where is he?
She,
Where is she? Right outside?
well, she's in the parking lot.
Doing what? Sitting around waiting on you?
Sir,
Go get her.
go get her.
Mm-hmm. I'll wait for him. All right, we're back on the matter of Zane Kimball in 26 CR 341. I asked you to go get the lady who's your girlfriend.
No, friend.
Okay, a friend who's driving you around. What is your name, ma'am?
Bailey Davis.
Bailey Davis?
Yes, sir.
Davis?
Yes.
Are you a citizen here of like Beaumont or
Silsby.
in Silsby? Oh, okay. And you've known him for a while?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I wanted to make sure is you're not Elena Ladeau.
Oh, no. I got my driver's license right here if you need it.
No, your word's good enough for me. That would be catastrophic. You know, one of the bond conditions you have is to have no contact with that person. So I find out you have any contact, your bond would be pulled.
That's what I'm trying to get all this figured out so I can talk to the kid.
Let me finish talking because she has to take everything down.
Yes,
And
sir.
when two people are speaking at one time, she can't do it. And she's our court reporter's the most important person really in this room.
Yes, sir.
Because if she can't do her job, then someone gets in trouble under the law. Because she's got to put down everything that goes on. Yeah, because you've already been ordered by the justice of the peace who set your bond to have no contact, but that's also a normal term and condition of all bond cases. All people who post bond can't have any contact with the victim, the complainant in this case. So find out. What we do is we revoke your bond and then you sit it out until, which could be years. You sit in jail waiting to get to trial. All right, you need a lawyer to help you. And you're going to be looking for jobs for more money. Have you talked to any lawyers about it?
Yes, not really. No.
Okay. And how much do you make an hour?
If I get the job, 14.
Okay. That ends up being about 30,000 a year, which is good. But when are you going to find out if you get the job?
My homeboy's supposed to bring my wallet today.
I'm sorry,
My homeboy's supposed to bring my
your homeboy. I know that's street talk. Speak like you're more intelligent than using
Yes, sir.
street talk. Use the English language
friend's
so
baby daughter.
because we don't know who your homeboy is. Who is what's the relationship with this? A friend?
I've known him for over 8 years.
A good friend.
Yes, sir.
All right. That makes more sense.
He
under English language.
recently moved out to Houston and my wallet got left in his truck. And,
Well, that's important to have.
yeah, he's bringing it down this weekend.
Okay. What I'm going to do is give you a couple of weeks.
So,
Come back, then we'll see where we need to do in a couple of weeks. But this thing needs to move forward one way or the other. If you can't hire a lawyer, then one can be appointed to represent you if you do not make enough income to hire a lawyer.
yes, sir.
But we need to move forward. And again, this is serious. You're looking at up to 10 years in prison.
Yes, sir.
Nobody wants a day in prison, much less 10 years. So you got to deal with this. This is a most important event in your life. You've got to deal with it responsibly. Okay.
So,
And you're going to be 20 years old in a couple of days, few days. So you're old enough to have to accept responsibilities of adulthood and act responsibly.
yes, sir.
Deal with this responsibly because this can affect you adversely the rest of your life. You get a felony conviction and try to get a responsible job. Try to get any responsible position and all those doors of opportunity close off. I know I needed all the opportunities. Everybody does. You don't need to foul it up by getting in trouble and getting a conviction. You've never been in trouble before with the law. This is probably fixable. And it may be fixable in a way where you do not get a conviction, but you're not able to do that on your own. You've got to get some help. 2 weeks, okay? If you hire somebody within that time, show them this resetting that you're about to get, and they'll know that they have to come in and make an appearance under the law showing that you're represented by a lawyer. But we'll see you back in 2 weeks, okay? Oh. And hey, also don't let her pay for all the gas. She's trying to help you.
Girl dad for you. Yeah, I can.
Thank you.